Hello, everyone. Close your eyes and imagine the most memorable scene from a book you've read. How did the author paint such a clear picture with words? Today, we'll explore the techniques of creating descriptions that draw readers into your story. Understand the importance of creating vivid descriptions in storytelling. Learn techniques for using sensory details to enhance the story. Discover how to balance detail with narrative flow to maintain reader interest. Creating vivid descriptions. Descriptive writing is essential for creating a vivid and immersive reading experience. It helps paint a picture in the reader's mind, making the story more engaging and memorable. Key roles of descriptive writing. Setting the scene. Detailed descriptions of the environment help readers visualize the setting and context. Character development. Describing a character's appearance, expressions, and movements can reveal their personality and emotions. Creating atmosphere. Descriptive language can establish the mood and tone of a scene, enhancing the emotional impact. Example, in The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald, the descriptions of Gatsby's lavish parties are so vivid that readers can almost hear the jazz music and see the decorations. Using sensory details to enhance the story. Engaging multiple senses in your descriptions makes your writing more engaging and vivid. Techniques for engaging the senses. Visual descriptions. Paint a picture with words by describing shapes, colors, and movements. Auditory descriptions. Include sounds to add another layer of realism. Think about what your characters hear in their environment. Olfactory descriptions. Scents can trigger strong memories and emotions. Describe smells to create a deeper connection with the reader. Tactile descriptions. Describe textures and physical sensations to help readers feel what your characters are experiencing. Gustatory descriptions. Use taste descriptions when relevant to make scenes involving food or drink more vivid. Example, in Perfume by Patrick Suskind, the descriptions of scents are so detailed and that readers can almost smell the putrid streets of 18th century Paris and the intoxicating perfumes Grenouille creates. Balancing detail with narrative flow. While descriptive writing is important, it's crucial to balance detail with narrative flow to keep the story moving and maintain reader interest. Techniques for balancing detail with narrative flow. Prioritize important details. Focus on details that enhance the story or character development. Avoid overloading the reader with unnecessary information. Vary sentence length. Mix long, descriptive sentences with shorter, action-driven ones to maintain a dynamic pace. Use description purposefully. Ensure each description serves a purpose, whether it's setting the scene, developing a character, or creating atmosphere. Example, in The Road by Cormac McCarthy, the stark, minimalistic descriptions reflect the bleakness of the post-apocalyptic world, maintaining a fast pace while still creating a vivid picture. Closing thought. Descriptive writing is a powerful tool that can transport readers into the world you've created, making your story more vivid and memorable. With specificity and balancing detail with narrative flow, you can craft captivating scenes. Practicing these techniques will refine and improve your ability to paint pictures with words. Keep experimenting with your descriptions and observe how they enhance your storytelling. Enjoy bringing your scenes to life. Assignment. In this assignment, you will take on 2 roles. First, as a fiction writer, create a scene that fully engages readers in a specific setting using all 5 senses to create a distinct mood. Secondly, as a literary analyst, choose a passage from a book rich in sensory detail and analyze how the author uses language to engage the senses and create a specific atmosphere. This will enhance your understanding of how authors use language to transport us to different worlds and create emotions. Thank you for exploring the world of descriptive writing. May your words always be vivid, your stories captivating, and your journey filled with creativity.